You can add an image or a photo to your infographic with a few simple steps. Right now I'm on my infographic dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on the template that I chose earlier and click Edit. This is going to bring you back to your infographic editing page. Before we learn how to add an image to your infographic, you'll notice that there is an image in the shape of a circle right here. We will be learning how to add this in some of the later steps. I'm going to click on the infographic icon on the upper left-hand corner, and this will give you several drop-down menus. I'm going to click on the photo button. This will give you several different options for adding an image. You can pick from one of the many image categories right here, or you can simply type in the name of something specific you are looking for. I'm going to do hiking. To preview an image, you can hover your mouse over the picture. I want to start out by adding the image to my shape. So I can simply drag it over the shape and you'll see it adds it right away. You also have the option of adding an image directly to your infographic, and to do this you'll simply click on the image and then you have the option of editing the size that fits your infographic. The second option for adding a picture to your infographic is clicking on the Uploads tab right below Graphics. You'll see a Browse Image button. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you the option to add photos and images directly from your documents. I'm going to choose this one. Once the image has uploaded, you'll see it in my uploaded images right down here. Again, you can drag the photo to the shape and place it directly in there. You also have the option of double-clicking on the photo once it's in the shape and moving it around to suit your needs. And then you can click on the image and it adds it directly into your infographic. When you're done sizing all of your images, don't forget to click the Save button.